The final script that I have to share with you this morning is a long script that one of our developers wrote during the R&D phase to explore how Control X scripting was kind of progressing, especially with mature with complex workflows that reference multiple other scripts or third-party libraries. And so the goal for this script is to provide a proof of concept that demonstrates the capability of Control X to be able to analyze scan or mesh point cloud data against a CAD model of a pipe or a tube with an unknown quantity of bent or straight sections, and then report those out into a custom LRA table. So after the user selects the measured and the reference data locations, the script will identify the multiple bent and straight sections of the tube, and then it'll automatically create dimensions for the length of each straight section, the sweep angle of each bend, and then the rotation angle between those bend planes. So the script then registers the measured data to the reference CAD using the standard initial and best fit alignment tools, and then those dimensions are analyzed and reported out into a custom Excel table. So I'll hit play here, and you can see the script uses file operations library to confirm that I've imported the correct types of files, and it starts to process them. It'll create a series of construction geometries for the pipe ends, the straight sections, and the bends, and then those properties are fed into NumPy and some custom math is done. And then eventually all of those results are written out to or using the XLSX writer library to kind of collect and output all of that data.